Good morning. Once again, we are here in the Yap San Diego Ancestral House. Then the Yap San Diego Ancestral House in Parian District, Cebu City is one of the oldest existing structural residential houses in the Philippines. It was constructed out of coral stones and woods by a family of Chinese merchants sometimes in the late 17th century. History tells that Parian was a busy barangay and the community houses were commonly designed with second story. To date this, balay nga bato o kahoy, which means house of wood and stones. Then the Yap San Diego Ancestral House was home built by the couple Maria Floredo and Don Juan Yap, who had 3 children. They were Maria, Eleuterio, and Consolacion. When Maria Yap married to Mariano Avindano San Diego, the cabeza de barangay here in Parian, this house became the activity center. And then when they passed by, the old architectural building was handed down to Val Manciano San Diego and his wife Ofelia. This family were in 8th generation now for today.
8th generation. And this is the
Dining.
a dining.
The family? Here you go.
Dili siya ang lamisa sa ilahang kuan sa sinaunang mga panahon, maanti kayo ng butang. Pawalan ninyo. Mga una pala sila. Maanti kayo na untan.
This house stands for more than 338 years.
Si Berling. Mani siya ang baso ni Berling.
And this built in 1965.
Yes, we are here in a video of the manag-asawa sa 8th generation. Anti kayo ang mga butang diri.
Ligon pa jud kaayo. Lindot kaayo ilang kwarto. Mga kuang nilagay siya ng mga design ng mga anime. Kaayo ilang airport. Kamu sa ilahang kanilang Catherine.
Likod
Murag
kaayo.
friendship. Hi.
3 minutes na ito.
Kadi mo na sigad ay karon diri sa Catherine sa kanong asawa. Lindot kay ilang daanan kamot kaayo.
Ganoy, stop na.
Umana.